Hello, it's Mr. Zanaletto again, trying to cover all of topic 3. This is our fourth 3D segment. Topic 3D, solve for the distance between 2 points using the distance formula. So we're going to be using the distance formula here, and we're solving for the distance between the 2 points. So with regards to that, let's go ahead and start off first things first. 3D, let's state the distance formula. So the distance formula is D equals the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. That's the distance formula. And when we have the distance formula, once we have that, now we can go ahead and use that distance formula. It's really a descendant of the Pythagorean theorem. It's got to do with the Pythagorean theorem, but at this point, what we're going to do with regards to this is we need to figure out what x sub 2, x sub 1, y sub 2, y sub 1 is meaning. It's the distance between 2 points. And this is distance formula. Maybe it's worthy of saying, okay, this is really the distance between, let's just call it AB. This would be the distance between AB given A is at x sub 1, y sub 1, and B is at x sub 2, y sub 2. And knowing that, now we can come down here and know if we want to find QR, let's name Q's coordinates x sub 1, y sub 1. And the other point R, we're going to name x sub 2, y sub 2. Now using that, we plug them back into the distance equals the square root x sub 2. Well, x sub 2 is negative 2. Minus x sub 1, well, x sub 1 is 1. We square that, add it, open up another parenthesis. Now we look for y sub 2. Y sub 2 is negative 3 minus y sub 1, which is 1. And we square it. So we've just plugged in these x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2 into this formula. Now we have that. Now we can carry out our math. And that's going to be the distance between those 2 points. So we have square root of negative 2, negative 1 is a negative 3. We're going to square it. And then negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. We're going to square it. So that means that equals the square root of 9 plus 16, which is the square root of 25, which we all hopefully know as 5. If not, you can always use your calculator if that's something that we allow in your class. Some classes we do, some classes we don't, but you should really know that. Anyway, that is going to be the distance between this Q and this R, so then we want to clearly state our answer. The distance between Q and R is 5. And that's the distance formula. Topic 3D. Thank you.